it's Annie with Count My Cruise, and boop, there we are. 11211 on the Carnival Jubilee. Gonna take a quick tour of the cabin. Coming in, and living area, which obviously that can be made into a bed. Cool, got a sink like that. Nice long counter. Kind of a lot of empty counter space. There could be more drawers here, in my opinion, but there is a good amount of drawers. And a closet over here. Closet that's got one of those only for short stuff. Right? But it's a nice size. Gosh, this living area is bigger than a regular cabin is. Okay, next stop, the bathroom. Okay, although the bathroom is very nice, the shower is quite spacious, and it'll be interesting, the jets on the wall, because my little granddaughter, she's 6, and I'm wondering where that lower one's going to hit her right smack in the face. Now, there is no tub, which I'm not a bath person myself, but I know a lot of people like to take a bath, and there is no way to do that. Okay, now this, oh my gosh, this door is so... Okay, ta-da! There we are. We're in the bedroom. And it appears to be a king bed. Hello! Oh, big action in Galveston. This is the bedroom. And another closet, which is pretty cool. And these slide. Another one of those closets where you can only hang up short stuff. You know, and even if it is for shirts, whose shirts are that short? Oh well. And little pull-out thingies, which I use for shoes. Okay. Long and long. And I think that goes to nowhere. All right, next. This is part of the deck. You can go out to the deck from right here. But we're going to go to the deck from the living room, living area. And it's beautiful downtown Galveston. Okay. All right. Oh, good. There's a lounger. Hello, Galveston. And, okay. Actually, it's so bright I can't even hardly see where I'm going. But here's the door to the bedroom. And this... Yeah. So, keeping in mind that there is me and a 50-pound child staying in this cabin, this might be a little overkill. Oh, rocking chairs. Oh, that's cool. But it was an upgrade because our room in the family harbor is broken, evidently. So they put us in here. So, that's it. From Galveston on the Jubilee, cabin number 11211. See you in the casino.